Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about finding the roots of the equation. This maths is intended for grades 8 and 9. Number 1, at the left side I have 1 over 2x minus 3 is equal to, the right side is 3 over 4x plus 2. So first thing to do is apply cross multiplication. So this will be 1 times 4x plus 2 is equal to another cross multiply, so 3 times 2x minus 3. Then I need to distribute. This will be 4x plus 1 times 2 is 2 is equal to, distribute also this one, 3 times 2x is 6x. Then distribute to the second term, so negative, so 3 times 3 is 9. Then I need to combine the variable at the left side, so this will be 4x. This will be transposed at the left side, so this will change the sign, negative 6x, and then at east negative 9, and then transpose 2 to the right, this will become negative 2. So simplify this one, so 4x minus 6x is negative 2x. So negative negative, so common sign, so this is 11. Then need to divide negative 2 both sides, cross out. So x is equal to, take note, negative divided by negative, that is positive. So the answer is 11 over 2. So my root for number 1 is 11 over 2. Let us check this one if this is correct. I will substitute the value x equals 11 over 2 to the given equation. So 1, 2 times 11 over 2 minus 3 is equal to 3, 4 times 11 over 2 plus 2. So this is 1. Cross out. This is 11 minus 3 is equal to 3. So this is reduced by dividing by 2. This is 2 and then this is 1. So I have now 2 times 11 is 22 plus 2. Now this is 1 over, what is 11 minus 3? 8, right? Is equal to, this one is 3 over 24. So this will be 1/8 is equal to 3 over 24. Then I need to reduce this one by dividing 3. So this will be 1/8. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 24 divided by 3 is 8. So I have here at the left side is 1 over 8 and then right side is 1 over 8. So meaning x equals 11 over 2 is correct. Now let's move to number 2. Number 2, x minus 1. Then I have here the denominator is difference of 2 squares plus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3. So at this time I need to factor this one. So difference of 2 squares, take note, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b and then a minus b. So this is the standard formula for difference of 2 squared, and these are the factors of difference of 2 squared. So I need to factor x squared. So to write the standard form, this will be x squared and then this will be 3 squared. So this is my a. And then 3 is my b. So take note, a plus b. So x plus 3 times a minus b, x minus 3. So for the denominator, so this will be x minus 1. Denominator will be x plus 3 and then x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 2 over x plus 3. So since there is addition between the fractions, so I need to find the LCD. between these denominators. So LCD must be x plus 3 and then x minus 3. So LCD, this one, divide by the first denominator. So this will be 1. Then times the numerator, which is x minus 1. Then plus LCD divide by second denominator. So this will be crossed out. So I have here x plus 3 times 1. And this will be equal to 2 over x plus 3. So distribute. So this will be x minus 1. And then this one also, since plus, this will be x. Then this will be plus 3 over x plus 3. And then x minus 3 is equal to 2 over x plus 3. X and x, so this will be 2x. And then minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. And then denominator will be x plus 3 and then x minus 3 is equal to 2 over x plus 3. I can factor this one. The common is 2. So this will be 2x plus 1. And then this will be x plus 3 and then x minus 3 is equal to 2 over x plus 3. Then I need to cross multiply. So 2x plus 1 times x plus 3 is equal to cross multiply also. So this will be 2x plus 2 x minus 3. So I need to divide this one by 2. So cross out, cross out, cross out also. So I have here x plus 1, then x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3, and then x minus 3. So multiply the factors. So what's the product of x plus 1 and then x plus 2? Sorry, x plus 3. This is multiplication. So this will be x squared plus x. This will be 3x plus 3. So this will be x squared plus 4x plus 3. So the product is x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to, so multiply this one. So x plus 3 and then x minus 3. This is multiplication. So this will be x squared plus 3x minus 3x and then minus 9. So this will be crossed out. So I have here the product is x squared minus 9. So this will be x squared minus 9. So I need to transpose this x squared to the left. So this will be x squared minus x squared and then plus 4x. This constant 3 will be moved to the right side, at the right side. So this will be negative 9 and then this will be minus 3. So this will be crossed out. So I have 4x. 4x is equal to minus 12. Okay, divide 4 in order to solve the value of x. Cross out 4. So x is equal to negative 3. So the root for number 2 is negative 3. Now let us check this one if this is correct. Or there's sometimes that the value will not correspond equality. So let's go back to the given. The given equation is x minus 1, x squared minus 9, then plus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 2 over x plus 3. So when x equals negative 3, so this is negative 3 minus 1, negative 3 squared minus 9 plus 1. This one is negative 3, then minus 3 is equal to 2 over negative 3 plus 3. So take note, 1 over 0 or number over 0 that is undefined. So this will be minus 4, and then this is 9 minus 9 plus this is 1 over negative 6 is equal to 2 over 0. So take note, I have here this fraction is undefined. And this one also, because negative 4 over 0 minus 1 over 6 is equal to 2 over 0 is undefined. So this is undefined, and then this is undefined. So therefore, the given equation is extraneous. Extraneous solution. So it can be solved, but it cannot be checked. So that's all for number 2.